Everything you need for the installation. Installation Manual HT1 System Light Vehicles. The electrolytic cell containing distilled water is positioned in the rear boot of the vehicle. It's necessary to pay particular attention to keeping it insulated from the chassis and sufficiently away from direct sources of heat. Check of the technical characteristics and power of the engine. The cell and demineralized water tank are connected to the engine via Rilson tubing, first to the filter bubbler. The PWNR of different conformation depending on the vehicle model on which they are applied, so they are waterproof and not hermetic. To connect the knock sensor, the cable can be coaxial or bipolar type. Inspection and fixing of the electrolytic cell tank. An ideal location of the filter bubbler is always in the engine compartment, connected to the tank electrolyte cell and the engine. After carrying out the above, turn the vehicle off and turn IT on again. Check proper operation and that the absorption is 5 amperes for the low scheme and between 20 to 29.5 amperes for the high scheme. Once prepared, introduce the solution, referred to in point 2, into the tank, up to the 50% of the vertical level indicator located on the electrolytic cell.